I'm sensing a very positive energy. The vibe inside this room ay very positive. So, pwede na tayo rito mag-look forward, no, na ang inyong reading dito ay talaga namang very positive. At alamin na natin ano ba tong napaka-positibo na ito, no, na balita rito para sa iyo ni Universe. Yan. So, ito yung ating aalamin dito, guys. So, let us see. Just take only what resonates. Okay? Let us see. Okay. Wow. Actually, I just saw 888 is an angel number right in here, no? Finances, okay? Definitely, this is financial security right in here. You will start to see a lot of number 8s. Doesn't have to be na kailangan tatlong 8 na sunod-sunod, no? Pero kung tatlong 8 na sunod-sunod, it's a very strong energy that this is walang duda para sa'yo. Pero yung iba 'no, doesn't have to be na tatlong 8, you could be seeing kahit dalawang 8, 88 'no, or puwedeng 8 'no, number 8 a lot kahit may mga katabing numbers 'no. And if you're starting to see this now, then, okay, high chance that it's definitely malapit mo ng ma-achieve itong financial security, ano. Ano ba yung financial security, Miss Yan? Look at that, we have here the Page of Coins to the Ten of Pentacles energy. No, definitely the star is present here. No, this is your wish. Okay, you are someone right in here na gusto mong gumanda yung buhay mo. Gusto mo rito, no, na parang mag-shopping or mamili rito, no, nang hindi mo kailangang mag-alala sa presyo, no. Yung energy na example, kung kakain ka sa restaurant, no, yung pwede mong bilhin or piliin yung pagkain 'no, na magustuhan mo nang hindi ka tumitingin sa presyo nito 'no. Like pagdating ng bill sa harapan mo 'no, you are very kalmado lang 'no, and then ikaw ito 'no, na you can freely na magbabayad lang 'no, without worrying anything 'no, na, "Eh, mahal kasi 'to, naku hindi ito, 'wag tumari." No. Okay, I do see you having financial security at nakikita natin dito na kung ano man 'tong bagay na 'to, this is your wish. Ito yung hinihiling mong mangyari, you're praying 'no, with your God, with your universe. Wala tayo ditong religion. I do respect ano man ang relihiyon mo rito, babe, but I'm getting that you are having or you will have this financial security. Wow! And I do pick up that you love your family here so much. I do see you that you are someone who's family oriented. Inuna mo rito like your family is your top priority. Yung iba nga sa inyo, pwedeng may asawa na kayo ngayon but you're still looking out for your family. You're still taking care of them. You're still providing their needs, no? And yung iba, no, okay, kung wala kayong asawa ngayon 'no, or kayo ay single, definitely inuuna mo sila 'no, kaysa sa'yo ritong sarili 'no. And I do pick up right in here na that this is you. Wow, look at that! Three of Cups energy, you're gonna celebrate right in here 'no. Maybe you're gonna achieve something 'no, at ito nga talaga ay calling for celebration. This is achievement 'no. And look at that, nakatalikod rito, no? And I do pick up that this is coming here behind you. This is something here, no, na mangyayari sa iyo rito out of the blue. Okay, this success will approach you. You will celebrate right in here. And wow, see, look at that. We have the Six of Wands energy. I told you, success. Achievement, no? So, ano man itong bagay na 'to 'no, this is something here that you will gain, you will achieve something 'no? There's this wish fulfillment here 'no, and it has something to do with your money, with your coins, with your financial here. Wow, you're gonna celebrate here at hindi mo yan nakikitang paparating, okay? pero naka-align na. It is already written in the stars, sweetheart, no? You're meant to receive this financial security. Wow, no? Alam mo, mga babes, nagsa-struggle talaga kayo rito, no? Kung paano makapag-ipon para may ibigay talaga kayo sa family ninyo, no? Tapos may mga extra pa, 'di ba? Na parang kailangang bilhin, no? Or parang may mga ganun pang mga bagay rito, mga singit na mga bagay, 'di ba? Pero lahat rin yun para sa family mo. So definitely, this is you, no? You are definitely sacrificing here yourself, no? Yung iba nakita ko rito, nagkasakit pa nga kayo, no? Because you provide, no, yung needs rito ng family mo at gusto mo rito na makaipon pa more para rin sa family mo, no? You're still looking and searching for other ways how to help your family. So I do pick up that you are a very loving daughter or son, or you are someone here, no, na very loving dito. Iba nakita ko tinutulungan niyo rin yung kapatid ninyo. Na yung parang, um, ah, ilan naman kayo sa miyembro ng pamilya pero ikaw talaga yung very dedicated, no? Yun ang nakita natin dito. Alright? So we have here this Five of Wands energy. Oh, I see. So may energy pa rito na parang dati napa-trouble pa kayo, na parang napa-trouble miss 'yan. Yung dahil sa kagustuhan ninyo na makahanap rito ng paraan 'no, paano rito lumago ang inyong kaperahan, puwedeng kayo ito na muntikan na 'no, na kayo rito ay ma-scam 'no, na, "Alam mo sis, alam mo jumoin ka rito kasi dadami pera mo." 'Yan oh. Maybe 'no, may gano'n kayong klase rito 'no, na nasalihan dati 'no, or you fell into a type of, scam pala 'no, na investment daw pero nakuha naman yung pera mo na parang bula 'no, so natangayan kayo rito ng money. Yung iba naman 'no, wala naman kayong sinalihan pero napa-trouble pa kayo rito like let's say 'no, puwedeng ito yung sa mga, I'm getting this vibe of new technologies 'no, so puwedeng kayo ito 'no na na-scam na lang kasi ang dami ng gagaling na mga hacker ngayon, eh, 'di ba? Na-scam yung GCash ninyo, may nawalang pera, whatever the case may be, it's not a maintenance ng inyo ritong bank account or whatsoever 'no, pero yun ay, mga gawa 'no, mga modus ng mga kawatan 'no. Mga magagaling sa mga technologies ba't hindi na lang gawin 'di ba na, gamitin 'no, sa pagiging matino na trabaho 'di ba? So dapat gano'n na lang 'no. See, we have here the Five of Coins in reverse. Definitely your struggle when it comes to your money will finally end, sweetheart, okay? And prepare yourself because this will happen so suddenly. Like this will approach you behind, no? At ito ay something worth celebrating, no? Bottom of the deck, yeah, look at that. See, I'm seeing your jump shots right in here. At hindi lang yan, dalawang jump shots pa yan. Oh, diba? Ang bongga guys, no? We have here the Page of Wands energy, Nine of Cups right in here, the Star, and wow, that revert right here. Definitely new beginning here for you guys. Okay? At meron pa akong isang i-reveal na hindi lang sa kaperahan ninyo talaga ito. Ang ganda. Okay? So, pwede huminga? So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Islam buyers ko dyan. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. So, interested, just click that link para mapunta po tayo doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs. There, at yun nga, wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. At yun nga mga babes, no? Wala po tayo rito, no, na time period. Pero iba sa inyo, posibleng nangyayari na to ngayon sa inyong 5D world, no? Or posibleng mangyayari pa lamang. Yan. Okay? So, para ito doon sa wala kayo ritong ibang hinangad, no? Kundi mabigyan rito ng magandang buhay ang family ninyo. Okay, makapagtrabaho, makapag-ipon at maibigay ang lahat ng kanilang pangangailangan, 'no? Sila ang inuuna mo kahit na minsan nagkakasakit ka na. Nakita ko rito gusto mo pa rin dito mag-ipon ng maraming pera, 'no, or malaking pera, 'no, kahit may trabaho na kayo rito puwedeng may isa or dalawang part-times pa kayo. Yung iba 'no, hindi lang 'yan, puwedeng meron pa kayong small negosyo, Okay? So nakita natin dito that you do not stop searching, you do not stop learning. Page of Swords energy, even though sometimes, no, it's very risky. Look at that, no? Papansinin mo, no, na parang nasa circus kayo, tumatawid kayo diyan, no, sa napakanipis na parang stick, no? So nakita natin dito na kung ano man ito, this is your kusang loob na ginagawa. Okay? For your family, for the sake of your family. But, okay, after all of these troubles, after all of these sufferings, after all of these hard works, efforts that you're showing just to give, yung mga pangangailangan and even yung mga wants ng family mo, no, nakikita natin dito that financial security, no, ay ibebestow sa inyo, ihahandog sa inyo, no, ni God, ni universe right in here, no, at yun ang bagay na isi-celebrate mo, yun yung wish na na-achieve mo, and I do pick up, no, na lahat ng mga problema dito, even you guys, I know, because this is also a symbol of utang or loan, may mga utangs rin kayo, yes, with S, no, utangs, okay, pero nakita natin dito, no, na matatapos na yan, no, ito ay alalahanin, paano mababayaran ng inyo ritong mga utang, no, ito ay matatapos na because calming energy will enter your life, okay? You will feel secured financially, and that is what you're gonna achieve. That is your wish being fulfilled. Okay? So nakikita natin dito tapos na or magtatapos na, no? At sinigundahan pa ng death energy, magtatapos na rito ang inyo ritong problema sa inyong kaperahan, no? So universe, no, don't worry about how universe will do it for you. Pero wala kang ibang gagawin kundi mga babes, no? Ipagpatuloy ko anong ginagawa mo at ito ay darating na lamang sa likuran mo. Okay? And kagaya ng binanggit ko, ito ay nangyayari na ngayon in the background, in the spiritual realm, and it is about to happen in your reality. Okay, that's what I'm picking up. Okay, others, no, wala pang 5 months, in less than 5 months, you're gonna experience here that financial freedom already. Okay, wherein you can buy that clothes that you want without looking at its price. Okay, so you can also travel right in here, no, sa mga dream vacations or gustuhan mong puntahan ng mga tourist spots. You can also, no, do anything and everything without even looking at your money, okay, because you are financially secured. You will start to see a lot of number 8s, okay? Others, yeah, triple 8 pa kamo. Kaya nakikita natin dito that wish mo ay talaga naman na matutupad, no? At ito ay sumakto talaga, no, na talagang ito ay magsisimula para sa iba sa inyo, no? Ngayong holiday season, okay? Mararamdaman mo na yan. Okay? You will start to feel it up until it will appear in your reality, no? Jump shot is an energy of tatalon ka rito sa tuwa or sa lulundag ka sa saya, no? So I do pick up, no, that this is you will achieve here, no? Yung energy rito na, you know, okay, you will feel secured pagdating sa financial. Pero syempre, hindi mawawala with the Eight of Swords energy, yung mga chikadora. Mga chismosa-chismosa, sawsawero-sawsawero sa paligid, no? Na chu-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu, alam mo ba si Collective, naku, grabe, bigla na lang rito parang biglang naging mayaman yung energy niya, bili rito, bili doon, no, kaliwa't kanan rito, no? Ay naku, baka yan ay nakapangasawa ng mayaman, ay naku, baka yan ay pumasok na ng illegal, yan, no, may ganun-ganun pa rito, no? In other words, no, negative ang kanila ditong pagsasabi sa'yo, pero wapakils ka dahil alam mong hindi yan totoo. Ito ay handog sa'yo ni universe, no, at wala ka ditong ginawang hocus-pocus, hindi ka rin dito nanlamang ng ibang tao, wala ka ring illegal, at hindi ka rin nakapangasawa ng mayaman, yan, no. Dahil ito ay si universe ang nagbestow or nag-atang, no, naghandog sa'yo nito, no, at you will be successful. You will be having this financial security. Pwede yung ipadaan sa'yo ni universe sa mga games. Okay? Pwede yung ipadaan sa'yo ni universe sa mga contest. Pwede yung ipadaan sa'yo ni universe sa trabaho mo. Pwede yung ipadaan ni universe sa part-time jobs mo. Pwede yung ipadaan ni universe sa negosyo mo, no? Kahit na yung iba sa inyo, it's just a small business, no? Okay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, don't worry how the universe will do its part para dito sa abundance ninyo. Let it be. Okay? At hindi lang yun, ito na i-reveal ko na sa inyo mga mahal, no? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi lang financial security ang inyo rito, no, na maa-achieve. Meron din dito na love life for you here after you being successful. Your destined person will enter your life, no? Hindi para gatasan kayo or hindi dahil nabalitaan ng taong ito na kayo ay financial financial secured or financially secured, I mean, no, hindi ganon. Because this person here is already successful and you're gonna meet this person here, no, after mong maging successful. So, you might be meeting this person here related with your way of earning a living, trabaho mo, career mo, or negosyo mo. See? Yan. So, wow! So, for the initials right in here, mga babes, no? S, M, ang tara SM, mga babes, no? Pwede talaga kayo ditong bumili dahil ang daming mga tinda sa SM. Kahit ano yan, gusto niyo yan. 3 doors ref, no? Ano pang gusto ninyo, no? Sofa set, no? Kahit na sabay-sabay niyo pa yung bilhin, diba? Kahit na magdalawa pa kayo ritong bili ng pagsabay ng cellphone pang personal, pang negosyo ninyo, go, diba? Lahat yan, you got it all for you. So, other initials right in here, yes, we do have, no? T, C, K, D, R, and last but not the least, E. So, yata yung mga messages right here for you guys. E, pa hinihintay mo, i-claim mo na ito, di ba? Kasi napakaganda ng balitang ito. Wow! Financially secured na ang Bebe Loves ko. Yan, no? Be grateful, feel grateful, no? At huwag ninyong kalimutan magpasalamat. Ngayon pa lang. Yes, no? Okay, kay God or kay Universe. So, thank you so much. Okay, again, I'm Yuriana Oni. Sarang Hail, Love, and Light. 안녕.